Double DIN radio provision. ISO stacked head unit provision. Painted silver to match factory finish. Compatible with 2001 to 2007 Mazda Protege. Plugs into OEM radio. Power, 4-speaker. 24-pin connector. Can be used to repair a harness where the plugs have been cut off or damaged. Professional Installer Series Turbo Kit suited to aftermarket applications. Also available. GM radio replacement pocket to use when removing OEM radio and installing radio in center dash. Quick conversion from 2-shaft to DIN. Double DIN radio provision. ISO stacked head unit provision. Painted silver to match factory finish. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect connector was completely filled and ready to use. I just wish it was easier to take apart so I could scavenge the necessary wires and repair my factory harness instead of replacing it completely.